Hi Noah, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
You are? You're cleaning? What are you cleaning? Are you cleaning Mommy's shoe shelves?
Yeah. Cleaning Mommy's shoe shelves.
Keep cleaning.
This?
Do all the holes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. You're doing a great job, Noah.
Down here?
Down there, too.
And down here? Here?
Yep.
This?
Yep. Now which ones are left? The ones way on the bottom? The lowest ones? Go ahead.
This and this.
Yep.
I'm going to clean this first.
Yep. You're a hard worker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great job.
And this one.
Oh, you didn't do that one yet? Okay, go ahead. Do that one up there.
And down here?
Yeah, go ahead.
And up here? And up here? And up here?
How about this one right here? You want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, do that. Push it all the way in there. Do it all the way in there.
And this one too.
Oh, now do this one right here. How about this one? Take these out.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Okay.
I want to put it right here.
Okay. How about this one, Noah? How about this one? It's okay. Oh, don't touch it, Chucky. How about this one, Noah? This one right here.
Oh.
Okay.
And
Great. Good job.
see.
Hey, Noah. Turn around. Thank you. Good job.
I want to clean that one.
You want to clean that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clean that one.
Go ahead.
You put it right there.
Okay. Okay.
Up here.
Yep.
And right here.
Yep.
You doing the top or the bottom?
Oh no, you have to flip. Oh, yuck, yuck. Remember, don't touch it.
Ew.
Like this, like this. Like this, like this.
Oh.
Nice.
Not that. Not that side. Not
Okay,
that
good job.
side.
Yeah, that side, that side.
This side.
No, yeah. Good job, Noah. Thank you.